Family. I am your one and your only Lady of Crochet, Lady Simone, and we are back, y'all. Listen, I think I need to slow down a little bit. Let's like slow for day 11. We're getting so close because day 12 is New Year's Eve, and look at me. I'm taking us to New Year's. Okay, wait a minute. Day 12 is Christmas Eve. I really need to slow down. I'm taking us to New Year's Eve. Day 12 is going to be on Christmas Eve. This is day 11, y'all. Excuse my craziness. Excuse it. This is day 11 for our Loops and Beat Advent Calendar unboxing. Yes, yes, yes. We are going to just open it up and see what we got on day 11, y'all. Woo! This has been a fun unboxing. It really has. Okay. Ooh, is it our, okay. Pattern 5 of 5, y'all. We are in it. Okay. Ooh, okay. Okay. So we have the white yarn. We're going to pick 2 whites. Premier Parfait Chunky Yarn comes in at day 11. We also had it for another day. We were talking about that last time. But also with this cool white yarn, we're going to make it seem like it's something more than just like white yarn. Just amazing white yarn. Also with this yarn, we have a pattern. So this pattern is the Blizzard the Snowman Buddy by Mel's Crochet Creations. Now, this says to use supplies from day 11 and 12 and leftover black yarn from day 6. So I really like that on the cards. It has like a QR code that we scan, and it also tells us the different days that we can use the other yarns in. So that to me is amazing too, because everything works together in the Advent calendar, and I really have liked that. So we got that. We got the pattern, our last pattern, and then to go with it, we have 2 sets of safety eyes here. So we have the 2 sets of safety eyes, and I'm trying to do it in my head. Okay, so I'm thinking maybe we may use, because it's a snowman pattern, we may use the other ones to do like the buttons. That's what I'm thinking. That's my guess. I don't know. That's my guess. That's my guess. I'm going to stick with it. But we have the safety eyes. We have this Advent look at me say Advent calendar. I'm sorry, y'all. We have the Blizzard the Snowman Buddy, which is going to be cute. So this is Blizzard the Snowman Buddy. Oh, I can't wait to see that pattern. And then we have our white Premier Chunky, y'all. This is day 11. Thank you for sticking with me this far. I hope you all are having a great time, enjoying the holidays with your family, sharing nothing but love, having great intentions in your heart. And until next time, y'all, I am your one and your only Lady of Crochet, Lady Simone, and I will see you tomorrow for day 12 on Christmas Eve. See you tomorrow.